Alright people, folks and space aliens, I'm doing a review for the CAMELBAK ROUGE, and I'm up at CUYUNA range, and you saw in my video that I really like these straps. It straps right underneath my GoPro and prevents it from doing this. So, not a whole lot of room for gear, especially when you're riding trails like this, but the other downside I had was this screw thing. It has screwed in crooked. You saw in my Murphy Hanrahan video that it actually was leaking water. So those are the things that I don't like about it, but let's go on a trail ride and talk about it a little bit more. This is my CAMELBAK / switchback. They redid some of this, so I'm going to see what it's like and talk about my bike making noise and talk about my CAMELBAK ROUGE, which you just saw in the previous clip. And this is CUYUNA range, which is not ideal for this CAMELBAK. I can't get a whole lot of stuff in it, which I mentioned. But watch me get a flat today. 8 times here and I have not gotten a flat because I'm running tubeless, 30 psi, blah blah blah. But I have not gotten a flat, so I haven't had to take those tools with me. So we're gonna kind of take it easy. We're going over to Windsey. I'm gonna try to session some of that and clear all the jumps in a row. So, but I do not have my thing. I got some riders coming up behind me here. I do not have my thing clipped in around my GoPro right now. Oh, it's just freelancing. Hello. What? Nothing. Oh, I think you're going the wrong way. There's some people coming. All right, where was I? CAMELBAK review? So we're gonna go over some rocks here in a second and bounce around a little bit, and then I'm gonna clip it in and on the other part of the trail, on the other side of the pavement. Just so you can see the stability with and without. Got a couple of people ahead of me on rigid bikes, rigid semi-fat bikes. So that's pretty cool. I still don't have it strapped in. I'm going to try to hit as many rocks as I can. You can see the advantage and disadvantage. So this is actually a 3-month review. I've had it for 3 months. I think a little longer than that. I think I bought it in March. There's still snow on the ground when I bought it. Anyways, yeah, the big disadvantage, like I said, with the gear. I had a CAMELBAK Hog before this, and I just got rid of that because it was just worn out. I had that for 20 years, almost. It was like probably 18 years, 17, 18 years. And we're coming into the big downhill. We will see the difference, hopefully. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. You're not supposed to be able to use any brakes in here now. And I definitely can tell you that it's pretty sweet, actually. I'm gonna stop right here and clip my thing in. So now I'm clipped in with the CAMELBAK around the GoPro. So, and you probably can already see the difference, at least a little bit. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is the big one. Woo. Big berm, big berm. What you gonna do right around the big berm? A little bit of brakes. Not bad though. Wow. No, this is the one that they rebuilt, I think. Yeah. Oh, ha ha ha! I almost hit that tree. Well, I hit that square on. So what else can I say about the CAMELBAK? Obviously leaking, but that's just you got to be careful when you screw it back in. Most of it was just me getting used to it. Yay! It's actually pretty comfortable. I actually enjoy wearing it. I was not enjoying wearing my other one because it was so worn out. What else can I say? I obviously I bought this for Welch Village and bike parks. Obviously with the virus and other things going on, Welch Village is supposedly permanently closed. Spirit Mountain is closed. And oh, burn that ride. That's right, you heard me. Yeah, those are nice. Well, that's pretty much it for my CAMELBAK review. I really like it. It's one of the lesser CAMELBAKs. One of the things I don't like, I just remembered, is that the hydration thing does not come out the pack reservoir. If it does come out, please let me know in comments. I have not been able to figure it out. I stick a can in there and I swish it around and get all the water out of it. A little bit loose right there. And let it dry out. And I blow the tube through because there's no water in the tube.
Oddly, one of the downsides that I didn't cover was the strap that I keep talking about and it stabilizing the GoPro. It does make noise and scratch against the GoPro underside, so I have to get it nice and tight. That's definitely a downside, but it's something I'm learning to work with, so see ya soon.